Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Robinhood two-factor authentication, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, look for Security and tap on it. Under the Security section, you will find the option for Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication to proceed. You will see a prompt to enable this feature. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, either via text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, enter your phone number and tap Send Code. Check your messages and enter the code you receive. If you opt for an authentication app, scan the QR code displayed in the app with your chosen authentication app. Once you've scanned the QR code, the app will provide a verification code. Enter the verification code into the Robinhood app to complete the setup. After entering the code, your two-factor authentication will be enabled. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your security settings have been updated. You have now successfully set up two-factor authentication for your Robinhood account. This additional layer of security helps protect your investments and personal information. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and accessible for future logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.